Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk about how to install wall paneling. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, you will need paneling nails as close to the color of the paneling as possible, and a hammer. Here we have some wainscoting paneling. What we do is we cut it to size, put it up against the wall where we want it to go, and find out where our studs are, because we want to go ahead and nail into the studs, that way it holds nice and tight. So we'll take our paneling nail, put it right where the stud is, and since there will be a chair rail going across this, I'm going to keep my nails across the top up pretty high. So put it right where that stud is and drive it in. Then we'll go ahead and nail some into the bottom. Now most walls have a base plate, so if you go about 1.5 inches to go ahead and hit that base plate. Now I'm going to avoid putting nails in the middle of my paneling here because it's such a short distance, and if we put one right in the middle, we're going to have some fascia nails that'll set it off just a little bit. The one at the bottom can be covered up with some trim. The one at the top can be covered up with our chair rail. Now if you're doing entire sheets of drywall, it's really hard to get past this because you have seams that go together. There you actually do have to put nails all the way down it. So I recommend getting as close to the color as possible with your nails. Then you'll just go ahead and nail off on every stud. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.